Right, guys. Are you getting my voice? Getting my voice? Respond in chat window, all of you. Right. So what I am typing, you just type. Yes. Right. Yeah. Now, yes. So what is the last class? What we have discussed in the last session? Last program. What is the last program? Printing Rama and age, right? With the help of variables. How did you understand? How did you understand previous classes? How did you understand previous classes? All of you, first. How did you understand previous classes? Come on, respond. Right. Okay, now. So, right. Did you understand all of you? Right. So, how many are interested to come for advanced course, paid course? Really, how many are interested to come for paid course? Paid course. How many are interested to come for paid course? So many people are responding, and I am unable to answer for their questions in Google. In WhatsApp. So, I will announce today few details in the class only. Right. Yes. Because want to give opportunity to more people, because this time due to all the students are like suffering with the COVID issue, right? And right, next come back to our discussion. Sai shared all the previous videos in YouTube.
Sir, yes, sir.
How many sessions you have shared?
Four, sir.
Or shared? So right,
Yes.
people are asking me. I don't know whether they are checking or not. Babu, do you know how to check the videos in YouTube? Go to YouTube, type RN Reddy IT School. Type RN Reddy IT School, right? Yeah, and you can see like you can see the .NET course videos here. This is the first session. This is the first session, and oh no, I'm sorry. This is not. This is first session. This is first. Like this, you will have sessions. All will be available. I
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First two videos, 3 and 4, sir. First to top.
first two videos.
Day 3, day 4.
This is
Yes, sir. Day 3, that is. And the below one is day 4.
okay. Right. These are all
See,
clearly day 3, day 4. It is demo 2.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Demo 1, demo 2, 3, 4. Over, right?
Yes,
So all of you guys, just you can go through it. Right. Next, come back to our discussion. Let's start the program. Program 1. Right. Write a C#.NET console program to accept employee name. Accept employee name. Sorry, right? No. Write a console program to store. I'm sorry. To store employee number. Write a C# program to store employee number =1 into env variable. Store employee number =1 into env variable. Store employee name Rama into ename variable, ename variable, ename variable, store employee salary 1000 into esal variable, and print these three values by using three variables. By using three variables. By using three variables. Right. Okay, guys. So this is the requirement of this today's program. Yesterday we have written one program with name and age. Right? Yes. Right. Okay. Now. Right. Clear. Right. So that's it. The requirement I have given very clearly to you. Yes. So let's go for step 1, step 2, step 3 here. Step 1, design with OP. Step 1, design with OP. Step 1, design with OP. Right. Design with OP. Right. So now let's go for design. Let's go for design. But do you like this process? Our three steps process. Any programming language, we will follow this. Right. I don't have time to respond for your chat. Please reply. Please reply. Don't disturb my explanation. All of you guys. Somebody are doing like that. How? What I am asking you. Uh, do you like this step 1, step 2, step 3 process? Right. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Are you clear? Right. Do you like it or not interested? Right. Right. All of you guys. Hope I understood. Right. Now, yeah. So let's go for design. OP series. First, declare one variable called ENO, triple one value, and the data type is int. And another variable called ename, value is Rama, variable type is string. And another variable is esal 1000, and variable type is double. So print triple one here, move the cursor to next line, print Rama here, move the cursor to here, next print esal 1000 here, and move the cursor to here. Right, that's it. Are you clear? Right. This is the design. Understood all of you? Hello? Hello? Clear? Right. Right. Understood all of you? Right? Right. Okay. Now come back to our discussion. Step 2. Step 2. Step 2 is what you know, program. You have to go for program. Right. So now come back to our discussion. Let me open your Visual Studio.net. Here you write just Visual Studio, then you will get Visual Studio. Just press enter. And yesterday we created one application. That application is my console application. You can observe my console application is already created. Just open this application, and within the main method you write the program. Within the main method you write the program. That's it. Within the main method you write the program. Listen. Back to our discussion. Like first you have to declare three variables. Int eno equal to triple one, string ename equal to Rama, string ename equal to Rama, and double esal equal to 1000, and printing console dot write line eno and console dot write line ename and console dot write line esal, console dot read line, console dot read line, right over. This is the code you have to write within your main method, right? So are you clear about this, all of you? Hello, did you understand? Double is another floating data type. Yesterday I explained about double also, right? Double already explained, right? Right, over, right? So how many are able to write this code already? Right. Okay, now, right. Language to language syntaxes will be different. Don't compare with C language to your Python language to C language. Right. In Hindi or in English, in Telugu, languages will be different, right? Meaning will be same. Okay, right. So language to language, don't compare. Why you are like this, and language to language is different. Now we can see compilation, build is nothing but debug is nothing but executing the program. Debug is nothing but executing the program, right? So that's it. Right. Over all of you guys. Now you see this is now put you. No, clear up here. Hello, clear up. What we do fast. Now shall we go for tracing, or do you like tracing or boring? Do you like tracing or boring? Fast. Do you like tracing or boring? Right. Like tracing, right. Let's go for tracing. We'll do tracing here. You just observe this. Now you see. Whenever you run this application, so here I'm doing tracing. Whether you come to my C language class, whether you come to my Python class, whether you come to my C# class, that concept will be same. OP output like this. When you run this application, program execute starts from main method. First, this line will execute. Here ENO is what 111, and next this line here another variable we create. That variable name is ename, and value will assign, that is called Rama. And this variable, this line will execute. Now it will create another variable called esal, and the value will be 1000. Then after this line will execute console.writeLine eno 111 and move the cursor to next line. And this line will execute ename, and the value is Rama, and move the cursor to next line. And console.write10. Next, this line will execute. It will print esal value. Esal value is how much? 1000, and move the cursor to next line. And console.readline. So readline is holding the command prompt window until user press and enter. Once user press enter, it will close. So that is the story. It is 1000 number. Mistakenly, I have written something like this. So this is what 1000. I'm sorry. Right. So that is the story. Right. Everybody are clear about this. Did you understand? Hello. Right. Understood. Tracing is main useful is clarity. Clarity to the student. See, you if you want to go with confidence after my class, that helps a lot only because of two things. One is you should able to write the program. Two is double is a keyword. It is a data type. Again and again, I'm telling you, float brother, like float into numerical data type. Double is a float brother. Float data type brother double. You can write float or double. Float has some issues. That's why I've written double. Right. So now come back to our discussion. Right, everybody are clear. Tracing, a main highlight of our training is tracing. But especially in classroom training, I will make the student to write the program on papers, multiple programs. But here we will give a task, you write means he will sleep. That's the reason we are not doing. Right. Okay, guys. Next we go for next level program. Right. That is, let's see, guys, all of you. So .NET is a lengthy course, Babu. I'm telling you. But once you learn .NET, entire .NET, coming 30-40 years, you don't require to go for any other platforms. Compare with other tools. tools that will be when you are learning today, we don't know tomorrow that will be exist in the market or not. That is the difference between .NET and other tools, right? So now tracing also over. Let's go for next program. Program 2. Write a C#.NET console program to store student ID 123 into SID variable, student name Rama into SName variable, student location Hyderabad into SLOC variable. Print these three values by using three variables. Print these three values by using three variables. Print these three values with the help of three variables, right? Okay, are you clear, all of you? Hello, right? So now let's go for step 1. Same process. Step 1, design with OP. Design with OP, right? Design with OP, right? You see, right? OP, right? SID, one variable. So what we done, SID is what? Edanukunnam SID ni 1 2 3, right? Yes, 1 2 3 integer. Yes, name Rama, string. Yes, LOC Hyderabad. Hyderabad. It is also string. 1 2 3. Next Rama. Next Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Right, like this. That's it. This is story. Right. Did you understand, all of you? Hello. Right. This is your design. Now for this design, we are going to write the program. Right. Right. C is a just programming language. Python is a just programming language, but .NET is not a programming language, only programming language. It is a platform which contains one language called C#. We have to learn one language called C# and multiple technologies we have to learn like ASP.NET, ADO.NET. .NET is a course which contains collection of things, not one. That's the reason .NET and Java will take more time to update. Yes. Let's write the program here. Yes. Go for your program window, right? So we'll write the code here, right? So now let's write, yes, into SID equal to 1 2 3, string S name equal to Rama, string SLOC equal to Hyderabad, right? Console dot write line SID, console dot write line S name, console dot write line SLOC. Again, console dot read line, console dot read line. That's it. Console dot read line over. That is the story, right? This is right. This is a program we have to write. So are you clear up to here, all of you? Hello, understood? Right. Yeah, understood, all of you. Right. Whatever I am explaining you, you concentrate that. Don't put that question, this question in between. Unnecessarily, it will disturb the flow. whatever doubts you are getting will clear all in future classes 99%. Right. Right. So, right. Let's go for third step. Step one design over, and step two program over, step three tracing. We are going for tracing. So you can also compile and execute the compile, build a solution, and execute. Debug, start to debugging F5 like this. You can see the output. Right. It will have like this. Right. Are you clear? Right. So my intention is you should be clear in each and every piece of the code. Right. Shall we go for tracing all of you? Right. So let's see the tracing. Right. I'm going for design mode, right? Image mode. When I go for image mode, it will be like this. We can use board marker here. So for your explanation, I'm using this. This is facing third step we are going to do. Yes. So OP, right? Whenever you run this application, program execution starts from main method. First, this line will execute. SID. SID means one variable will create. What is the value? 1, 2, 3. Then yes name. Yes name. Another variable will create. That is S name. That value is what you know, Rama. Next SLOC. Another variable will create. What is that variable? Hyderabad. Then after this, control will execute console.writeLine SID. That SID will be 1, 2, 3. So the value will be printing because of writeLine printing, and move the cursor to next line. Then console.writeLine, yes name, that is printing Rama, and moving the cursor to writeLine method will print the value, move the cursor to next line. Then console.writeLine, that is SLOC. SLOC value is what? Hyderabad. It will print Hyderabad and move the cursor to next line. Then console.readLine. A read line is holding until user press and enter. Once entered, it will just close. Suppose if you want to understand about read line more clearly, I'll tell you. You see, I run the program. My question to you, all the people, is program execution is completed or not completed? Program execution is completed or not completed? Not completed. Why? Because right now it's executing. What do you know? Now it's executing read line. It's executed already. These are all the lines. Now read line is executing. What read line is doing, sir? Ante you can see blinking. Blinking is not holding. Once you press enter, it will leave. Okay, if you have a doubt about this, I remove the read line, then you understand. Compilation and execution. You see all of you. One more time, all of you open your eyes. See output window. Program is executed or not executed? Program is executed or not executed? Program is executed or not executed? Right, executed or not executed? Executed. Output displayed or not displayed? 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 First, displayed. Displayed, not displayed kadamma, displayed. But what happened? What happened? Displayed. But where is the output? Where is the output? It is closing, amma. It is closing. It is closing. Output window is closing. It is closing. So to hold the output window, to hold the output window, to hold the output window, we should go for tracing. To hold the output window, we should go for tracing. We should go for tracing. Right. Over. So that is the story. To hold the output window, we should go for tracing. Right. Are you clear, all of you? Right? Yes. We should go for tracing. That's it. Yeah. Right. Okay, now? Yeah. Let's next. Right. Are you clear, all of you? Right. Now next, go for next program. Right. Program 3. Write a console C# console program to store 3 subject marks into 3 variables. First subject mark 60 into M1 variable. Second subject marks 70 into M2 variable. Third subject mark 80 into M3 variable. 80 variable. 80 into M3 variable. Calculate total marks store into total marks variable, and calculate average marks store into AVG marks variable. Print total marks and average marks with the help of user-friendly message and variables. User-friendly message and variables. User-friendly message and variables. Right. That variables. Right. Clear, all of you? Hello. Right. Understood, all of you? Hello. Right. This is the requirement. So read the question again and again, all of you. Read the question again and again, all of you. Read the question. Try to understand the question again and again. Because otherwise, what will happen? You will get confused. Otherwise, you will get confused. Otherwise, you will get confused. Otherwise, you will get confused. I'm sure. Right. Fast, all of you. Question understanding is very, very important. Question understanding is very, very important. Right. Fast, all of you. Right. Ora? Yes. No, no. Understanding and understanding. Super understanding. Fast. Now you do your own. Try this program your own. Step 1, design. Step 1, design. Design. You do design first. Design. You take a paper and you do design bars. Right. Now I am going to give you this program very clearly. You see this. All of you guys observe this. Right. Step 1, design with OP. Design with OP. Step 1, design with OP. Right. Design with the OP. Right. Right. So that is design with OP is what exactly? You see OP, you observe output window. In output window, you have 3 subject marks, I said. So Bob, all of you guys try to concentrate. Don't divert here and there. Right. So first subject is M1 and floating value now 60. So go with the double only, double, or else be better to go with present integer, unnecessary confusion. M2 70 integer, M3 80, 80. Don't see the data types, don't worry. In total marks, M1 plus M2 plus M3, 60 plus 70 plus 80, that is 210. Now left side you take a variable called total marks. Total marks, the data type of this is integer. Next 210 will come here. Next total marks by 3, that is 210 by 3. So yeah, that is 70. That is called AVG marks. AVG marks, that is integer, and 70 will come here. 70 will come here. You see 70 will come here. Okay, 70 here. Now your output should be like this. Your total marks, user friendly message. Total marks are, the total marks are 210. 210 is coming here. 210. Next, your average marks are, your average marks are 70. 70 is coming from here. 70. Move the cursor to next line. The average marks are 70 coming like this. So I hope you are all clear about this. Understood? Right? Understood all of you. Hello. Hello. Right? Yes. Right. Now let's go for programming. Let's go for program. Right. Program of this. Let's go. Right. So what is this, sir? Yeah, you can see into M1 equal to 60, into M2 equal to 70, into M3 equal to 80, into total marks equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3, into AVG marks. AVG marks equal to total marks by 3. Simple calculations. Console dot write line message. So this I didn't give you the syntax. Now I'm showing you. Your total marks are colon. Your total marks are colon. Right. plus here you should use concatenation operator. Language to language difference will be there. Whenever you want to print a string user friendly message, this is called user friendly message. Why you will call it as user friendly message? If you will print total marks directly, user cannot understand what is this value. To tell to the user you are giving a message, to give a friendly message, Babu user, these marks are total marks, this value is total marks. So whenever you are printing a user friendly message like a string message with a variable value, between these two you should use a concatenation operator called plus. If you didn't use give this, it will throw what error here. Okay, you try after class without that plus operator. Console dot write line where average marks are AVG marks, and console dot read line. Console dot read line. Right, over. Story is completed. I hope this is the program you have to write. Right. I'm sure you all the people are installed .NET software into your machines. Okay, our people are shared the installation document to you, and I hope I'm trusting that. Right? Are you received? Right. Installation document received all of you. Received all of you fast. What I'm telling you. Right. Installation done. .NET installation. Installation is a very lengthy process. Right. Yes. Now come back to our discussion. Let's go for this. Right. Okay. Now what we do? Yes. Let's go for compilation and we will go for tracing amount. We'll go for tracing. You see the output also, right? Then first of all, let me make you happy. Without, if you will not see the output, you cannot happy. You will not sleep also today night because you are habituated to see the output windows like that. But I hate to see the output window. I will always encourage the students to generate the output with the help of your tracing. That is ultimate. I am sure about it. But in your colleges or somewhere, you observe always, sir will always try to write the program. He will show the output. Write the program. He will show the output. You will feel very happy, and sir will also very happy. Because of that type of teaching, you cannot learn programming. I'm sure about it. Okay. Okay. Right. So now, guys, what I can do? Yes. Shall we go for tracing? You're not responding in chat for the important questions. Shall we go for tracing? Our interaction is between with the help of chat window, right? Right. Yeah. We'll go for tracing now. Right. You see. All of you guys, we go for tracing now with the help of pen and paper. And I'm doing tracing in my board here, digital board. But you should do tracing with the help of pen and paper. I don't know whether you are doing or not. If you'll not do the tracing with me on paper, you are not learning anything here. Just it is your time pass course, nothing else. So tracing you should do on paper. I have written here tracing now. You should also write on your paper tracing. Here I have written OP now. You should also write OP on your paper with the help of pen and paper. I'm sure. If you are not doing that, you are just time pass candidate. When you run this application, program execution starts from main method. First, this line will execute. This line will create one variable in the memory. The value of the variable is 60. Then the second line will execute. It will create another variable. The value is 70. And third variable will create, that is M3. That value is 80. Now, are you clear? And when you run this application program, yes, this line will execute here M1 plus M2 plus M3, 60 plus 70 plus 80, 60 plus 70 plus 80, 210. Are you clear? Next, LHS will execute. This LHS will create a variable called total marks. Will create a variable called total marks. Variable will create. Next, assignment operator will execute. Assignment operator will execute. That assignment operator, you remember, first right hand side will execute amma, left hand side second will execute, third assignment will execute. The assignment operator will assign the 210 into variable. 210 into variable. Then after this, control will execute this line again. Here also, first right hand side will execute. The right hand side total marks is what? 210 by 3. that is 70. Then left hand side will execute. What left hand side, sir? Left hand side will be creating a variable called to average marks, AVG marks. Then after this, control will execute assignment operator. Assignment operator will get assigned 70. Will get 70 assigned. Right hand side value will be getting assigned. So many people don't know that this type code will execute first RHS, second LHS, and assignment. People will understand and feel that it will execute in one shot. No, it will execute in 3 steps: RHS, LHS, and assignment. After this, control will execute this line here. Right line method will print like this: your your total marks are your total marks are your total marks are colon is also here. Now variable. The variable is what? 210. So 210 value is coming from here. 210 value will be coming here and moving the cursor to next line. Right line method will move the cursor to next line. And after this, control will execute this right lines. Next right line, that is your average printing, because right line method will print your average marks are AVG marks, that is 70. Move the cursor to next line. Then control will execute console.readline. Console.readline is holding the command prompt window until user press and enter. Once you press enter, it will leave. Then control will encounter the closing brace of main method. With that, it will understand that program execution is completed. Right, program execution is completed. So, are you doing simultaneously? Did you understand, all of you? Are you clear, all of you? Come on, are you clear? Let me give you the feedback. How did you understand about subject today class? See, I am not teaching to give you to get your impression. Whenever faculty is to try to convince the student cannot learn the subject. I am sure about it. So you can learn when you are you clear? You can learn subject. You can learn only when you are able to involve in each and every piece. When you are able to involve in each and every piece. Come on. Right, come on. Right, understood all of you? Right, fast. Yeah, now I'm asking you, all the people, send me the really you done tracing, sir. I done tracing. So WhatsApp your tracing photo to my number 9866 193 194 with your name. You said you done tracing on paper. Take a photo of the tracing photo diagram. WhatsApp to my number with your name fast. Let's see how many photos will come. How many photos will come? Let's see. Fast. Come on, all of you. All of you understood, right? Send me your photos, not your selfies. I'm asking you tracing design photo. Last time also when I said send photos and people are sending their photos to me. Because whatever number I have given, which number you are sending, there are multiple numbers will be there. For every number will have some purpose. This is my Google Pay number and personal number, right? I can see the seriousness of you, boss. You are sending immediately means you are doing tracing, I'm sure. With your name. Your name. Fast, fast. Getting very good number of images. Excellent, superb. Right. Okay, now this is about what about today class, and tomorrow onwards I'll start giving you homeworks to you in .NET also. And coming to advanced course, yes, Monday we are going to start 8:15 to 9:15 advanced course, payment course. .NET advanced course is going to start. So there it will have 4 months duration, I'm sure. Part 2 1 is going on right now, 7:15 to 8:15. Only 20 sessions I will teach. Whatever topic is called planning up to loops, we don't know. Okay, right. Up to 20 sessions I'll give you. Some topics are pending here, I'll cover here only. Up to 20 sessions it will be free. Not only one more single session also I will not take here. Part 2 is paid course. So that is, I'm planning to take only 50 students for this paid course, and 8:15 to 9:15, and it will start October 19th. C Sharp with OOPS, then ASP.NET, ADO.NET, and finally once 20 sessions is completed, this session will move to 7:15, like this. Overall, you should be engaged from 7:15 to 9:15 for this course. And I'll make you to develop own website with your own hands with the help of C Sharp, ASP.NET, and ADO.NET. Your own website you can develop. I'll make you to develop your own website, and I'll provide placements to you also. But only one condition is regularly you should attend classes, and you should do the regular labs, regular homeworks. And in your resume, you kept my certificate. .NET courses completed by R&D means it's a really very valuable certificate for you. That experience you will have at the time of your attending interviews. We have 250 to 300 companies in our hand to place you guys. 50 students placement is not a big task for me, because I was placed 3 to 400 students for every batch. But due to online, I was limited to the students number, right? And the fees will be, I don't have the time to respond for your like your number, like your messages. That's why what I'm telling you, .NET course fees I'm telling here only. For India students, actual fee is 20K, 20K, but offering due to Corona 12K, 12K, right, for India students, right. For abroad students, will provide you full C Sharp ASP edible material also, right. For abroad students, actual fee is 600 US dollars, but offering due to Corona, right, 400 US dollars due to Corona, yes, 400 USD, right. So that's it. Are you clear? This is the total. Quality is like that. Fees also. Sir, somebody are teaching for that fees, this fees, and somebody will teach in YouTube. If you'll see, you'll have free cost videos also. Don't compare all the things. The style, I should put efforts. 4 5 months course, placements, and material, everything I should provide. Are you clear? Don't try to complete .NET. Try to start. Try to learn. Right. And course will start Monday for 50 students. Who will pay the fees? First 50 will take, already somebody are waiting by paid long few months back. Now I've taken some people, for some people I've given fees yesterday, and for some more people I'm going to take. Once it's reached 50, we'll only announce don't pay. We'll stop the Google Pay of payment. Yes. So this is the story, right? Now I'm sending you all the details in your chat window. Right. Okay now? Yes. For abroad people, placement is not possible, but for abroad people, one help we can do. What help we can do means we have a strong team actually. We have a strong team. The team will provide interview support resources for you. We have so many consultancies, and whenever interview is going on for you, we will arrange a resource for interview support helping, and as well as whenever you are placed in a company, we will provide a project support people, and we will charge for that extra. We are doing that business early hours in the morning. Around 10 employees will work for US leads. So when you are my student, definitely you will have high priority, no doubt about it. Right. Thank you very much. Yes. So I hope you are clear. Let me respond. Let me know your response. Yeah. Right. So this is about right. So right. Yeah. So who are interested to the payment directly, you can do the Google Pay. Yes, my number only. You can see my number, my name RN Reddy. Okay. Yes. So you can see the name like this RN Reddy, or you can see Kamanarsi Reddy Banda, maybe which is displayed. I don't know. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you very much. And yeah, just Google Pay. This is not ping to WhatsApp. I'm very, very sorry. It's GPay or Phone Pay. Suppose you don't have Phone Pay or GPay, I want bank details, sir. You ping to me, I want to pay for .NET course, sir. Then I'll give you. Right. So that's it. Okay, understood. Right. Thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow same time. So right. Okay, boss. Monday we start advanced course. Thank you. Thank you very much.